This truck is a legend. Car tester Matas Kurat says the automobile world is changing constantly, one model after the other with new technology and better-sounding names. Few cars can hold their place in this environment. Maybe a decade or two, but never longer. Yet the Toyota Hilux has been around for half a century. Whether it was back in 2007 when a Hilux became the first auto to reach the North Pole, during a volcano eruption on Iceland, or conquering the South Pole in 2010, the Hilux is the only vehicle that's been to both ends of the Earth. Then, in January 2019, a Hilux won one of the world's toughest races, the Dakar Rally. For more than 50 years, the Toyota Hilux has been one of the toughest pickups in the world. Through 8 generations, Toyota has managed to sell 18 million of them worldwide. The Hilux is known as Europe's most popular pickup. Mata says the 8th generation has been given a facelift, at least in the most luxurious version of the truck, the Executive. The spruce-up can be seen most clearly at the front. Wrap-around headlights emphasize the pickup's width and integrate seamlessly into the newly designed radiator grille. At nearly 1.65 meters, the Hilux has the broadest bed of its class. A new floor assembly and reinforced front wall give this truck a big edge when it comes to loading and unloading. The interior has stayed pretty much the same and corresponds to earlier standard models. Leather seats are part of the standard equipment of the Hilux Executive. Toyota classifies the Hilux as a commercial vehicle, even though you have to admit that this pickup truck doesn't drive like a commercial one. It's not a car that's really comfortable to drive or is really sharp, speedy, and precise in handling. A pickup is a pickup, and it is what it is.
Besonders direkt in der Lenkung, aber es ist und bleibt nun mal ein Pickup.
The Hilux has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder diesel that pumps out 110 kilowatts of power with maximum torque of 400 Newton meters. That makes it strong enough to tow 3.5 tons. It's high time to take the Hilux off-road. We flip a switch into low range so the truck can get down and dirty. Even on really rough terrain, the Hilux easily moves over major barriers and through extremes. The Hilux is equipped with high-speed gear effective utilization control, which determines the availability of high-speed gears in real time, according to driving conditions. So, in 5th gear, for example, it can only be traveling at 50 kilometers per hour, with 10 times the torque to climb steep hills. Mata says some might ask, who needs a vehicle this big? But if you have a business and you need to transport stuff that you don't want in the car, and you don't want a van, there aren't many alternatives to a pickup. So that's a big plus for the Hilux. And it can go off-road and pull really big loads. That means a vehicle for tough jobs. A utility vehicle.
Das heißt, ein Fahrzeug für den rauen Einsatz, eben ein Nutzfahrzeug.